When it comes to traditional Asian cooking, having the right tools is non-negotiable. This Joyce Chen Classic Series 14-inch carbon steel wok with birch handles is a masterpiece in culinary craftsmanship, designed to enhance your cooking experience. Whether you're stir-frying, steaming, or deep-frying, this wok handles high heat effortlessly, while providing nimble control for even the most delicate dishes. With its lightweight carbon steel construction, authentic flat-bottom design, and an ergonomic birch handle, this wok is more than just cookware. It's your gateway to creating restaurant-quality meals at home. Key features of the Joyce Chen Classic Carbon Steel Wok. Number 1. High heat performance. The 1.5mm carbon steel gauge is engineered to withstand high temperatures, making it perfect for searing meats, browning vegetables, and achieving the Maillard reaction that chefs rave about. Number 2. Lightweight yet strong. Unlike cast iron woks, the Joyce Chen wok is lightweight but still incredibly durable. This makes tossing ingredients easier and ensures long-term use. Number 3. Seasoning for a deep patina. Over time, regular seasoning of the uncoated surface develops a deep, beautiful patina. This enhances the non-stick qualities of the wok and gives it a unique character that grows with you. Number 4. Flat bottom stability. Designed with a flat bottom, this wok provides stability on various stovetops, eliminating the need for additional accessories like wok rings. Number 5. Ergonomic birch handles. The birchwood handles remain cool to the touch, ensuring safety and comfort while cooking. The long handle and helper handle make it easy to maneuver the wok, even when it's full. Number 6. Generous capacity. With a diameter of 14 inches, this wok can handle large portions, making it ideal for family meals, meal prepping, or entertaining guests. Cooking with the Joyce Chen Classic Wok. Number 1. Stir-frying with ease. The Joyce Chen wok excels at stir-frying, its lightweight design allowing you to toss ingredients like a pro. The high heat capability ensures a perfect sear on meats while maintaining the crunch of vegetables. Number 2. Steaming perfection. Add a bamboo steamer, and this wok transforms into a steaming powerhouse. From dumplings to fresh fish, steaming preserves flavors and nutrients, delivering healthier meals. Number 3. Deep frying excellence. Thanks to its deep sides, the wok minimizes oil splatter, making it perfect for deep frying. Create crispy spring rolls, tempura, or fried rice with minimal mess. Maintenance tips for longevity. Number 1. Seasoning is key. Season your wok regularly to build a natural, non-stick surface and maintain its beautiful patina. Hand wash only. Avoid dishwashers. Wash the wok by hand with warm water and a soft sponge. Number 3. Dry thoroughly. Always dry your wok completely after washing to prevent rust and extend its life. Number 4. Oiling the surface. Apply a thin layer of oil after cleaning to maintain the seasoning and prevent moisture damage. Why choose the Joyce Chen Classic Wok? Number 1. Authenticity. Designed by Joyce Chen, a pioneer of Asian cuisine in the US, this wok embodies authenticity and tradition. Number 2. Value for money. With its affordable price and durable build, this wok offers incredible value. Number 3. Versatility. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this wok adapts to your cooking style. Number 4. Sustainability. Unlike non-stick pans that degrade over time, this wok grows better with age, offering an eco-friendly option. How it compares to other woks. While cast iron woks are heavier and harder to handle, and non-stick woks can't withstand high heat, the Joyce Chen Carbon Steel Wok strikes the perfect balance. It offers durability, versatility, and superior heat handling, making it a standout choice for home cooks and professionals alike. Customer testimonials. Customers praise the Joyce Chen Wok for its exceptional quality and performance. Many have highlighted its ability to achieve authentic flavors, its lightweight design, and the beauty of its seasoned patina over time. Conclusion. This Joyce Chen Classic Series 14-inch carbon steel wok with birch handles is more than just cookware. It's an essential tool for anyone passionate about creating authentic and flavorful meals at home. Its high heat performance, lightweight durability, and ability to develop a unique patina make it a standout choice for stir-frying, steaming, and deep frying. With regular seasoning and proper care, this wok only improves with time, delivering professional results with every use. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook exploring new culinary horizons, this wok brings the perfect blend of tradition, innovation, and practicality to your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this wok the centerpiece of your cooking experience today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.